Alright guys, so good morning. It's Friday. We got practice today. I'm over here with Anthony in the car. We adjusted the seat. Jason is used to his LMP, so he sits like way reclined like a open wheel car, and I don't. So I had to move this up a little bit more upright. We're plugging back into AIM. We had to disconnect the AIM while the car's not at the track because it was just sucking the battery from the car and killing the battery. So Anthony's hooking that up. We lowered the front ride height. Jamie from Dundon said we needed more rake with the car to get better ground effects with this new splitter, and it's going to help out and won't be a problem because the track's repaved. So very smooth track. Hopefully it's not nearly as bumpy as it usually is, and we'll make more downforce that way. And then yeah, we got a driver's meeting in like 10 minutes, and then yeah, get ready for practice. Everything's so far so good with the car, and we expect it to stay that way all weekend, honestly. It's never given us any headaches, and I have Cody here with me, so it's invincible. I'm gonna head to this driver's meeting and we'll get it going. All right, so just talked to Cody. We went over what we're gonna be doing here in practice. We got a few different settings that we need to try out. Right now, the level of the wing is at 8. We're gonna go from 8 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 6. We're gonna see which one felt the best, look at the data, and then pretty much run with that all weekend. If we need to make changes throughout the weekend, obviously we can still. We'll look at trap speeds going up to turn 1 and then down the back straight as well. Last year, I think we were hitting out at like either 158 or 162. I can't remember exactly, but that last aero had a lot of drag. So this aero hopefully doesn't have as much drag, but still has the downforce to match. Yeah, we'll send it. Getting ready for practice right now. We're on in I think like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna change out, start getting ready, and yeah, we only got 3 hours, so we got a lot of work to do until tomorrow. The lap timer is not working, but the car feels faster, so we'll see. And it's easy to put down laps as opposed to last year. Last year I felt like I was fighting the car. Obviously lack of concentration the whole weekend. Being hungover, being drunk, like that's obviously not the best state of mind to be in. So this is a lot better. The aero is, I don't even know how to describe it. The car yaws more, so you feel it like slip, but it's not like something that's unpredictable or out of control. You can dial it right back in. Other than that, I mean, first session we got black flag because a couple cars already broke down, LMP and then a Honda at the top of the hill. Hard rips. No issues with the ABS like at COTA, or sorry, at Remus we were running with some different brake pads, and I was having all kinds of issues locking up on a car that has ABS. These, I mean, Frodo has this brake pad dialed in perfectly. So, yeah, I'm gonna look at the video real quick, see what lap times we actually set. Not that it really matters now, but I'm just curious myself, and yeah, we'll keep going. Yeah, the track is hot
Yeah,
too.
the track is
really hot.
Even the scenery is hot.
But yeah, I mean, car feels like it's hooking up really nice with the settings now, but I don't want to limit us to just these settings. So we'll make adjustments on the wing like we had planned. It feels great. Just want to try other things out. We don't know what is the best setting to get. All right, so looking at the data right now, we just got done running some laps. More mid-17s. We actually got the aim working this time, so we actually see it. A mid-17 so far. Looking at the data right now, it's a lot hotter than we usually set our fastest laps, and we're already like right there. So the data is showing that we're actually going faster, and we're running on a high downforce setting. So we're going to angle the wing downwards to get more top speed and see if we can squeeze out even more straight line speed. So last year we were topping out at 136 last year at the top of the straight. We're already hitting 142 with this. So I'm looking at the back straight right now. We were only hitting 152 last year. And it looks like we're hitting 154. It could be that I'm getting a bad exit out of the corner back there because we should be making a lot more power, or we should be reaching a higher speed than that. But yeah, that's why we're practicing, to get the line down, knock out all the bugs, and test. I'll keep you guys posted on how everything goes in a bit, but yeah, very interesting stuff. Happy to see that the car is a lot better than before. Dude, I hit 165. On 8, we were only hitting 152 or 54. Yeah. And the car, it doesn't feel like any less downforce. I don't know, I just feel like it's still planted. Just less drag. Fucking moving. Oh, it feels so good. Alright, so we just finished up Friday. Practice went well. Lots of traffic. Lots of just testing where you can get away with more speed, later braking zones, pushing corners, just to try and feel everything out. Pushing the car's limits as much as we could today, dealing with the traffic that was on track with us. But I felt like we got to a point on the aero setup that I really like, where it's giving us the most top speed while still being able to afford us all the grip that we need through the corners. Car feels very planted. It was very hot. Track was very hot today. Lots of incidents on track, which was weird for a practice day. But yeah, so tomorrow, first day of competition, and yeah, hoping to be somewhere. I'm gonna give you guys a prediction now. I said it wouldn't, but I'm hoping to be somewhere with what we got going on now. So hopefully that's the case.